As engineering environments become more interconnected, many leadership teams find that sustaining predictable performance becomes a business-level concern, not just a technical one. Systems that once supported individual workflows now sit at the center of design, manufacturing, and delivery. As expectations evolve, those systems have to continue supporting execution without introducing friction into everyday work. In many engineering-driven manufacturing organizations, one challenge that begins to surface is fragmented execution ownership. Core platforms like CAD, PDM, CPQ, integrations, and workflow systems are implemented with clear intent, yet responsibility for their performance is often shared across engineering, IT, and external partners. Over time, that diffusion of ownership makes improvement initiatives harder to sustain, extends issue resolution cycles, and gradually slows engineering throughput. What begins as manageable operational friction can evolve into broader execution drag, reducing your ability to fully leverage existing technology investments and sustain predictable delivery performance. A similar challenge often appears during digital transformation efforts. Organizations introduce new platforms to improve speed and integration, yet the day-to-day operating model still relies heavily on engineering intervention. Teams continue validating orders manually, customization remains engineering-driven, and critical knowledge often lives with experienced individuals rather than within systems. As complexity grows, project cycles extend, engineering capacity becomes a constraint to revenue growth, and margin predictability becomes harder to sustain. In these environments, transformation initiatives risk being layered on top of existing operational constraints rather than resolving them. At MLC CAD Systems, our role is not simply to implement solutions, but to help leadership teams think structurally about execution. As a trusted solutions provider, we begin by listening, understanding where predictability is breaking down, where scaling is constrained, and where ownership may be unclear. From there, we work alongside engineering, IT, and operations to help ensure systems, processes, and governance support sustainable growth rather than reactive effort. If strengthening predictability and protecting throughput are priorities, we would welcome a consultative discovery conversation to better understand your environment and share perspective on what we commonly see across engineering organizations.
Here's a brief intro to how we work at MLC. Most of the time, teams we engage with aren't struggling because they don't have enough software or technology. The real challenge is figuring out how all the different systems, processes, and data should work together as the business grows and gets more complex. And that's why we always start with discovery. We take time to understand how engineering, manufacturing, and IT are working together today, where the friction or bottlenecks are, and what leadership is actually trying to achieve. And then from there, we focus on identifying the right solutions. And that could be design tools, data management, automation, or infrastructure improvements. But the goal isn't just to introduce technology to introduce technology. It's to make sure the systems supporting engineering actually match how the organization works and help teams execute better. Next, we work together to build a roadmap. And a roadmap is really just a practical plan for how to move forward. It aligns leadership and engineering around the outcomes we're trying to achieve, and it creates the buy-in needed for that change to be successful. After implementation, our role doesn't just stop. In many ways, that's when the partnership becomes most important. And as teams start to work in the new environments, new questions come up, processes evolve, and opportunities for improvement show up. Through ongoing support, optimization, and managed services, we help organizations stabilize, adapt as their needs change, and make sure the systems supporting engineering keep delivering real value. And that's really the goal, helping organizations put the right structure in place and then continuing to work alongside them so they can keep executing well as their businesses grow.